Hello, Tasfai here from the Tutorial Academy. This is English Oromo lesson, specifically targeting Oromo for communication purposes. We started this program because of the requests that many people send me to make my previous videos more simplified and manageable, so that you can easily learn communicating with Oromo. So we started this program, and this is our fourth video or fourth lesson. We started on the previous video. We've seen how to greet people in Oromo language. We continue on that today, and on this video and on the other videos to come. Stay with me, and today we'll see how we greet people of different age, different gender, different status, and how we address those people in different ways. So as said, today is also greeting day. Greeting session is on greeting. So we'll see together. So this kids greeting. Ijolle means kids. Ijolle akkam. Ijolle akkam. Can also use our previous lessons to change this greetings. Ijolle akkam jirtu. Ijolle akkam fayyaadha. Ijolle nagaadha. Ijolle fayyuma. Ijolle naguma. We can change and use those greetings as well. Ijolle here is specifically not kids in English. Ijolle can go beyond childhood, maybe going into teens, for example. We can still call teens ijolle akkam jirtu. We can address teenage like that. And also sometimes it can refers to even adult people, but more when we have intimate to these people, to this, and when they are also younger than to us, person of younger than us, like maybe up to 25, 26, and so on years of age. We can refer to them as ijolle as far as they are younger than us. Otherwise, it can take the meaning of kids from very young age to the age I refer to some upper ages as well. But not ijolle is not specifically for adults, so it means actually children, kids. So there we have to be careful when we don't actually relate it or intimate to those people. It is hard to. It is not good to say ijolle to adults. Girl, how are you? Intalo akkam. Intalo akkam. Intalo means girl, a young girl. So we can refer to intalo from any lower age to teenage as well. But we can also refer to an adult who is younger than us as intalo, but also that requires a little bit of intimacy as well, just like ijolle. So intalo is for mostly teenagers and below, if we don't know her. But if we know her and she is younger to us, we can refer still intalo. I can, for example, refer to my sister intalo, who is now maybe 35. Intalo fayyara, intalo akkam jirta, intalo akkami, intalo maatinke akkami. I can say there is no offense, but I know that because she is intimate to me, that's why I'm using that. But I can't refer to any stranger who is who I don't know, just like intalo. That's not a good idea. The same for gurba as well. Gurba is for a boy. You can also refer gurba just like as intalo. Here sister, how are you? Obboleettii akkam. This obboleettii is for a sister, not specifically our sister. This comes from a religion background that any person is our brother or our sister, just like that. So when we don't specifically refer to our sister in greetings as sister, we rather use in the law. Obboleettii is for any person, stranger for example. We can call obboleettii akkam, we can address like that. Obboleettii also, when we say obboleettii to a lady, a girl, we should be careful that she should be in the range of that she can be our sister as well, age-wise. We can't say obboleettii to somebody who can be our mother. So we don't call like that, even though it is religiously she is obboleettii, as I said before, but obboleettii is for somebody who is in the age range for us to call her obboleettii. The same obboleessa, brother, obboleessa akkam. The same description applies to obboleessa as it is in obboleettii. Obboleessa also is from carries more religious meaning than a biological relationship. Okay, so obboleessoo akkam, somewhere it's a dialect. Obboleessoo, obboleessa akkam, obboleessa fayyaadhaa, obboleessa akkam jirta. Can refer somebody obboleessa as far as he is in the age range that he can be our brother actually, biologically. I mean, age-wise. Sorry. So that's what we have to know. Also the referring as well. There here a mix of formal and informal greetings. Mr. Obbo. Obbo is Mr. in formal setting. Obbo akkam, Obbo Adam akkam, Obbo Jirata akkam, we can call like that. But Obbo in a traditional Oromo, it is the way we call our older brother. We don't call older brother by name as in English. I myself calling my brother not by his name, but I have to call Obbo. That is how I give respect for him. So Obbo is referring to an older brother. That's how we address. So Obbo akkam, Obbo eessa jirta, Obbo eessa deemta. That's how Obbo is used. But in today's formal setting, Obbo is like Mr. We can use that as a Mr. For any person. Obbo in a traditional setting is only for person who is older than us. We don't call somebody younger than us Obbo. We call older person Obbo. Obbo, some people, some families use Obbo for their uncles as well. Okay, they call their uncles not by name but Obbo. So that's nice to know when referring to, but in a formal setting, Obbo can be used just as Mr. for young or for old persons. And Adde is similar to Obbo. Adde akkami. Adde akkami. In traditional Oromo, Adde is for an older sister or for auntie. We call Adde. In a formal setting, Adde is used for Miss or Misters, both the same. Adde akkami. Adde is only also in traditional Oromo. It is only for person who is older than us, like older sister or auntie. But in formal setting, it is for everyone. Okay, this is for plural for many people more than two. we say jarana akkami. Here I says guys is for just referring to boys only, males only, sorry. But jarana doesn't have gender reference, so we the only plurality that's referring to jarana akkami, jarana akkam jirtu, jarana fayyaadha, can call like that. Here this is more for respecting people, for people we should respect because of authority, as is true in Africa, and also people of age. We respect because of age, because of family status, for example. Some families who respectfully call their dad. So they say isin to their dad, isin akkam jirtu, isin akkam. But it's also have the meaning of jarana as well for plural. So that's what it is. Here I don't have in English for the English word for isin, because there is no respect way of calling somebody. It is you, is you. But for Oromo, it is a different thing here. So that's what we have to find out. Okay, with this I bring you to some questions which you have to answer from this one and from previous lessons as well. Very easy. Okay, I just need the letter that with the correct answer. How we say how are you to a lady? To a lady. Adde akkami? Adde akkami? Obbo akkami? Isheen akkami? None of them. Which one is it? How we say how are you to a lady? Do you have any questions? You can also ask me. I only add the letter for the correct answer to you write in the comments in the YouTube channel. The second question, how we say it is him? It is him. Isaani? Isa? Isadha? All of them. Which one is to say it is him? Okay, so write letter of choice in the comment, and if you have any questions, ask me. If you want a translation, short phrase translations like this, just ask me on YouTube. I'm gonna try to translate as near as possible, because I can't directly translate it. And thank you very much for being with me today. I end up this video because I want this video to be short, and so that you can easily learn and back and also see what you want to see in these videos. If it is longer, I know it is hard to go through all of this to find some information, so that's why I'm keeping that videos very short. We will have more videos on greetings, and I invite you to follow up. Many thanks. Cheers.